Once upon a time, nestled in a lush valley surrounded by rolling hills and whispering forests, there lay a peaceful village called Evergreen. The villagers lived in harmony with nature, tending to their crops, singing songs of joy, and sharing laughter under the warm sun. In the heart of Evergreen stood a magnificent castle, home to a wise and righteous king named King Alexander. King Alexander was beloved by all in the village for his fairness, kindness, and unwavering dedication to justice. One bright morning, as the villagers went about their daily tasks, they noticed a dark cloud looming on the horizon. Rumors spread like wildfire that a fierce dragon was approaching, breathing fire and spreading fear in its wake. The villagers trembled with fear, unsure of what to do, but King Alexander remained steadfast, his eyes gleaming with courage and determination. Gathering his knights and the bravest villagers, he devised a plan to protect their beloved home. As the dragon drew closer, the village erupted into chaos, but King Alexander stood tall, his voice ringing out like a clarion call of hope. With his knights by his side, he rode out to confront the dragon, armed not with swords, but with kindness and compassion. Approaching the dragon's lair, King Alexander spoke words of peace, offering friendship instead of conflict. To everyone's amazement, the dragon responded not with flames, but with a gentle rumble, its fierce eyes softening with understanding. Through patience and understanding, King Alexander and the dragon forged an unlikely alliance. Together, they worked to solve the dragon's problems, easing its fears and finding common ground. In the end, peace prevailed over fear, and the dragon became a cherished protector of Evergreen. The villagers rejoiced, singing songs of gratitude for their courageous king and the newfound harmony in their village. And so, in the peaceful village of Evergreen, under the wise rule of King Alexander, love, compassion, and understanding flourished, proving that even the fiercest challenges could be overcome with kindness and courage.